Hello everybody, welcome to tutorial 13. In this tutorial I'll be covering the free directory level commands of mirror directory, graft directory and prune directory. The first command I'm going to show is the mirror directory command, which, as you can guess, duplicates a directory and all its subfolders and files. So if I find an example, this will do. I press the star key to log the entire directory and all its subdirectories. I press the Alt-M key to bring up the mirror branch command, and here I can type the destination path that I want to mirror it to, or I can just press the F2 key to point to a location. And I'm just going to mirror it to a directory called include2. So if I hit enter, it says it doesn't exist. Do I want to create it? Yes, and there. So as you can see, it's mirrored that directory structure and all its subfolders and subfiles. And as you may notice, it's colored yellow, and this is a way of representing newly created folders. So any folders that you create will start off as yellow for a little while and then change to the normal colors. So that's the mirror directory command. The next directory command is the graft directory command. Now graft and prune, they come from the tree structure naming conventions, just like how you could graft a branch of a tree or prune a branch of a tree. You can graft and prune your directory tree. So let's graft this folder somewhere else. So I just press the Alt-G key to bring the graft command, and you can navigate to where you want to graft it to. And I'm going to graft it down here. So I just graft it to the test folder. And as you can see, it's moved that folder and all its subfolders and files to another location. The next directory level command I'm going to show is the prune command, which is just pruning a directory structure. So that deletes all the files and subfolders of a particular branch. Now, back in the old days, deleting files and deleting directories was actually quite dangerous. You could lose quite a lot of valuable information. So it's a bit weird when you do it. So if you hold Alt and P, that brings up the prune command. And just to make sure that you know what you're doing, you need to type out the word prune. So it's P-R-U-N-E, and if you mistype it anyway, you have to start again, and that's just a way of making sure you really know what you're doing. So if I do Alt-P again, and this time type it out correctly, and hit enter, it deletes that entire directory structure, and then you're prompted if you want to delete the parent folder, in which case I want to. So there it goes. And the last command I'm going to show is a variation on the prune command, and that's the Control P command, which prunes empty folders from a directory tree. So if I show this structure here, the management folders, as you can see, they're both empty. So if I hit Control and P, it asks if I want to prune any empty directories. I click Y for yes, and as you can see, those two management folders, and only the management folders, were deleted from that subdirectory tree. And that's it. Just the free directory level commands of mirror, graft and prune.